So magandang araw sa inyo guys. For today's video guys is tuturo ko sa inyo paano mag-solve ng word problem na ine-request ni Ronel Olivas. So we have question number 1. If Myla is 10 years older than Dennis, the sum of their age is 40, then what is the age of Myla and Dennis? So before we proceed guys, which is translate mo natin ito into mathematical sentence so that hindi po tayo marito. So we have, if Myla is 10 years older than Dennis, so sa first sentence na to guys is isusulat po natin na sino po dito yung hindi po given na years. Yes, tama po si Dennis guys, because hindi po siya given. And then si Myla is 10 years older kay Dennis, so sulat po natin yung hindi po nalagay or hindi po given na years is si Dennis. And then si Dennis magiging represent po siya bilang variable na x. Then si Myla naman is 10 years, which is 10 years older than Dennis. 10. And then the sum of their age is 40, or kabilugan po ng age nila is 40. Is equals to 40. And then what is the age of Myla and Dennis? So yung isusulat po natin siya ganito, which is ito po. Itong si Myla guys is magiging represent po siya bilang x plus 10 because 10 years older si Myla, which is ito po yung x is si Dennis, so plus 10 lang po sa age niya. So ito po yung last sentence is x plus 10. Yan po yun. So we have to proceed. No? To proceed, we have, which is isusulat po natin ito si Dennis x plus po natin si Myla na x plus 10. Yung sum po is 40, which is the sum of their age is 40. Yung is guys is equivalent po siya sa equals, is equals to 40. So simplify mo natin, x plus x equals 2x plus 10, copy lang po, equals to 40. So since positive to guys, gagawin po siya, i-minus po siya natin, or i-subtract sa 10 both sides po. minus 10 is equals to 2x na lang po yung matitira, and then sa kabila is 30. 40 minus 10 is 30. So we have the common factor of 2, divide po sa both sides. So yung x po natin is equals to 15 po yung x natin. So to proceed, erase po natin to. Since we have the x, or nakuha na po natin yung x, ito po yun guys, yung Myla, i-add po natin para makuha po natin yung kanyang age. So we have x natin is 15 plus 10 is equals to 25. Yan po yung age ni Myla. And then kay Dennis guys is given na po, which is ito is 15. So 25 plus 15 is equals to 40, and yan po yung final answer niya guys. So we have to proceed for number 2 guys. So for the question number 2 guys, we have the problem na, which is if John is 18 years old and Sam, the sum of their age is 66, then what is the age of Sam and Joanne? So before we proceed guys, gaya ng ginawa natin sa question number 1, bago tayo magsimula is i-translate po natin ito mathematical sentence para hindi po tayo malito. So we have, if Joanne is 18 years old than Sam, so which means si Joanne is mas bata po kay Sam, and then si Sam po, which is ungiven po yung age niya. So yan po yung hahanapan natin, and then isusulat po natin, which is si Sam magiging represent bilang x, and then si Joanne is 18 years old. Joanne equals 18, or lagay po natin dito x minus 18 paano po naging x minus 18? So, bali ito po yun guys. Kung ano po yung magiging age ni Sam, i-minus po siya natin sa 18 dahil mas bata po si Joanne kisa kay Sam. So, yan po yun. Then, we have the sum of their age is 66. Ang sum natin is 66. Bale, if sa huli nating step guys, pag i-add natin yung age nilang dalawa, ay magiging the same po or magiging equals po sa 66. So, then what is the age of Sam and Joanne? So, we have the equation na x minus 18. Yan po yun. Yan po yung hinahanapin natin. So, to proceed, we have simplify po natin or isulat po natin dito. So, x which is Sam plus, then we have Joanna which is x minus 18 is equals to 66 na sum. Ito po yun guys. So, to proceed, simplify po natin. X plus x is equals to 2x. And then, copy lang po ulit. Copy. So, para ma-cancel po natin tong 18 guys, which is i-add po natin dyan ang 18. Add po natin ang both sides ng 18. So, magiging 2x minus 18 plus 18 is equals to 2x na lang po yung matitira. Then 66 plus 18 is equals to 84. So may common factor siya na po. Bale, ito po yung kalabasan niya. 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1 or x na po. So 84 divided by 2 is equals to 42. So we have x is equals to 42. And then susunod pa natin gagawin is i-minus po natin yung age ni Sam kay Joanne para makuha po natin yung age ni Sam. So we have 42 which is x, which is yung age po ni Sam is 42 minus age ni Joanne 18. So ang sagot po natin which is 42 minus 18 para 3, 12 minus 1 equals 4, 14. I mean 24 pala guys, mali, sorry. So yan po yung final answer natin guys. So to final check, 42 plus 24 is equals to 66, and yan po yung final answer natin for question number 2. So meron po akong papasagot sa inyo guys na question number 3. Just comment down your answer below guys na step by step. Then if may suggestions kayo guys or corrections, just PM me guys so that I can improve my solving skills. Maraming salamat po.